me tell you, I think I like the back row more on Verbolten though, for sure. Like, it just hauls. You get so much air in the back. It's so cool to be able to see the track. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Oh, that helix is so good. Woo. Oh yeah. Woo. All the effects are on. Alright guys, you ready? Here we go. There we go. Oh my gosh. Every single time. Oh, we're waiting for the block zone, so we have to wait a little bit longer. Now we get to go. Here we go, guys. I don't know if y'all can even see this. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Whew. If it's this fast, then Pantheon's gotta be insane. Here we go. Oh yeah! Woo! Oh my gosh. Woo! Oh man. Well, hope y'all enjoyed that video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and if you want to join that O Squad, all you have to do is click the subscribe button. It's free. Thank y'all for watching once again. Until next time, peace out.